What's up, people? I know it's been some time since I've posted anything, but been moving around a lot, doing a lot of different things. So now that I've somewhat, I guess, stabilized, I need to start getting this stuff done. I know it's been a long time since I've, I guess, posted anything. I don't even know what the last video was, to be honest. It was probably like something about Anthony's truck, but yeah, I'm gonna start posting more videos of my stuff. And Anthony, I don't think he even got anywhere close to finishing his truck. He's just been working the whole entire time. But yeah, still got these things. This is my 300CE that I have to do the hood. I got a facelift hood that's in the paint booth right now, and front bumper. That's the 300T 92 low mileage. Again, minor work needs to get done on that, but I just been not here, to be honest. And a lot of people have been asking me about my wagon, so I guess I'll show you guys that. I do plan on posting like more things now that like a few of my projects are together at one spot. So yeah, here it is. Boom. Well, still need to get that painted. It just has like minor stuff to get done, but it's have I ever taken a video? No, not. So is that? I'm getting so sidetracked. But yeah, here's the wagon. Yeah, it's just sums up with the fuel pump, and it's been that way since last year November, and I just really haven't taken a good time to look at it and get it dialed in. But it has horrible throttle response. It doesn't really do anything, and I'm not sure what is wrong with it. I was gonna swap a stock 6mm pump back on it and see if that fixes the problem. Then I would know it's a pump that I got from Ben's Force. That's an issue. I was considering just switching to a mechanical pump, but I don't want to deal with that right now. I'd really just rather swap the stock one and see what happens, since everything's already wired up. It just sucks having to redo everything twice if it actually is maybe the software. I don't know. But yeah, S600. This one has the, okay, cool. These are all, I got a whole, this is a 94, so it needed all new wires. But yeah, this has the individual receipts, and it's pretty clean inside. 105,000 miles, 2 owner. But that's all the wiring for the engine bay. But yeah, again, minor little shit needs to get cleaned up on it. Carpets, and polish the sides, paint the hood and bumpers, just to make it look nice again, and then get rid of it. And another project that needs to get done would be this. But yeah, everything's still here. Got a couple more coming that were at the paint shop that I need to move. So I'm probably gonna start posting more stuff about everything, because yeah, I really wasn't doing anything on it, so I couldn't post anything. So yeah, hopefully I need to get this wagon working, because it'll save me a lot in fuel. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be posting hopefully twice a week now. I promise. Have a great day.